Okay, everybody, I got this. Right there. You see how the laser beam is on it? Right on down to the center. Yes. And then that is for our exposed plumbing. We use a stainless steel screw right here. Yep. 8 by 1.5 stainless steel. Okay, now we can move it where we want it and see if that fits it good. Now to installing the faucet. Okay, pretty tight. Look at that. Now, for the 3-dial faucet. Then we got this. I'm going to start this in. It's got rubber washers like a hose. It's a dial right there. Has a dial on it. Let me set it up and I'll show you. Okay. If you wonder why my hands are so messed up, I literally grouted this. And I got a lot of grout on my hands. I had a couple people wondering about this, thinking my grommets were out too far. I'm pretty on it, so I don't think so. There we go. There you have it, folks. It's a dial selector. And there you have it. Before I go any further, I'm going to seal this. And what we seal it with is right here. It's called a 511 spray-on grout sealer. It's water resistant, stain resistant. Good professional choice. Yeah, there we go. Here we start top again. there. I stay back about a foot. That way I get a 10-inch spray. So I'm getting my verticals also. Go. Let's leave that sit on there and do its thing. And it's not 100% cured yet, so that's the best time to put your first coat of sealer on it. So we'll let that actually just soak right in. Meanwhile, I'll wipe down my plumbing. Look what this looks like, everybody. That's very nice. Let me tell you. Now this goes like this. Let's put that right there. There, like that, and this holds your other. There, like that, and then Allen wrench and set screw. Right there, set screw, Allen wrench. And where do we put it? Okay, right here. Oops, there she went. That's going to take me a minute to find. Shouldn't. It's just in here, but it's all plastic in. I got to find it. It only comes with one. Let me find it. But isn't she? Nice looking system. Well, I put the Allen screw in. Right there it is on the bottom. It's a set screw. Gotta wipe that wall off. Now a good wipe down as I was doing the other sides. And it goes right in the grout lines. Beautifully. Beautifully. This goes on there. And then this thread in the bottom. It's pretty simple, again, as was the other. Right there. And do a little tightening of the wrench. I'll move the line a little bit to where it doesn't lay on the wall. I'll get this out of the way. Right there, it does not touch the wall, and it's good. Golden. And this is made to be like a rainforest. You can actually put a little tilt to it or however. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. Now I gotta give it a little bit more time and I'll pull the blue tape, 3M tape. Now I'm gonna see if I can neatly take some of this plastic off and tape without getting into the tape that's hitting the grout. Okay, we're gonna try it. Just make a basketball out of this. Before we start, or before I get any further, I'll show you that it was well protected. It's all taped up. I'm talking blue tape ready. That's all. Whoa, there's a big one. I wouldn't put them on pressure. Should have had the seat up. Like I'm wrapping a present. I already know what's in the box. What's in the wrapper. Yeah, we get this all taped up, untaped. No joke. big ball of tape and that plastic out. Got a little bit of this junk to fall in the tub, which I don't want that. That's the whole reason we did this. Because this had grabbed the black like nobody's business. Okay. Continue to get the little. They're gonna get the tub reglazed. Click this floor up right here. Got a little bit of black flakes on the floor from the black grout, that is. Don't want nothing staining after all the work I went through to keep it off. Right there. We'll take the rest of the tape off and we'll keep it one piece all the way around until it dries better. Like maybe later on or tomorrow. Yeah. Till next time, please like, share,